College Winifibro, kajing petip nam ta kitu ki bukwa tab admission yakini kisit kum ka MBBS, BDS, BHMS, BAMS, BUMS, BSLP, BSc Nursing badai jong ka state kuata temta kalami advertisement biang one code ban tab application te nam ta ka BSc Nursing sisin gila panmi te gila cancel noi ka tu temta gila panmi biang ni te kini baro ki kus ki badai hang ne baro ki don kamban qualify ka nit lada piklem qualify ka nit pinnom yo ban apply kini mo kan mau bai kata lada piklem qualify war nam apply pinnom yo pinsha reject by direct kini ki badai lembaga state kuota seat te kane ka advertisement notice kalami nadu ka arpratrik jung manai Jun bat kan kut hadu khat artrik jung manai Julai hakapor sau baji janmet te kan mau bai kitu ben kwa tab sa tab nabro phaban tab online phna le japo ka website jong ka machealth.gov.in pin sayu I hang tu ka haka fast hi masen pli la yar chapo la don advertisement la don hang tu ka notice la don mo ka apply la an pe hang ni la don so apply tenang tu pilawan nyon sependap online baro ka debit online mo kan mo tambah kan need score need UG score 2023 ka don kamha la phim don phinom yo tengen puli kan ek jonon kam nam ta kine ki course ki bron nyotli ki course phila ban apply baro ne phila apply ka ka shong api tangba banjit we phia banjit tang ka we kine ki application in prescribed format for medical studies, that is MBBS, BSc Nursing, BDS, BHMS, BMS, BUMS, BSLP ter against state quota seat te kine kila kine phinom yo haju phinyo ha ki jika puli ki ba pher kinsa pha baik napo ka Office of the Director of Health Service it's a pia magimo in India during academic session 2023-2024 is hereby invited with effect from 28 June to 12 July kini pinjop ha in various medical institution nam ta ki detail phaban lai po ka website machealth.gov.in te ki balong eligible ban apply kini ki dem de ki resident jong ka Meghalaya phaban produce ka PRC permanent residential nam ta ban submit ka tu phadon kam ta ki no Meghalaya ki bala ban apply te lan yang ta pide ban pass ba ka physics chemistry biology but English kini kin shimi kini southly badika net UG score te ya kan net kin haka score banam bakalamang ne pai kin shimbe ya kan net te haka merit list kin shimi lagan net te mur bayo he haka net kin po be sajrong bai te kitu kila da phiyo he haka PC biru kin nampe ya ka tu kan ya ka tu kin pe bitang lada ka don ka jingya draw tai ya ka ju ka score te kin shim lada ka tu kan lai na ta kin shim te lada phiyo 100% nang turu mlelai nang ba ka net score jang phi ka hai phin kyu be sajrong kin pe na ka net pe ngata te kibala yum apply kilong bagi permanent resident of Meghalaya tenang ta ki children of employee of the central government other state and UT government who are on deputation to Meghalaya ki one trace po Meghalaya children of employee of the central government all India service ki batre jong central government all India service kita ru kilap apply other state and UT government posted and having headquarter in Shillong trip Shillong bade namar jalaru ndre tre Shillong kita kilap apply which also be eligible to apply provide the fulfill condition at one above kamut ba kini kila ban apply lada ki pass ya PCBE ki pass kita kila ban apply te kide ben long by khat news snem sajrong on or before 31st December naduka live point December arjar pulai kide ben dabek khat news snem ka upar age limit kadai hadu arpsan snem te nam tagi SC/ST bede kadai kin I extra san snem te kan long hadu live post snem relax by 5 year for the candidate of SC/ST temut kan dedu live post name tang bai kan nit bedek shimbe yawu arjar arphlai kano phama applicant should be medically fit pidem long fit form without need UG 2023 result sheet will be cancelled rejected by okay te kilis baro kirang ken page bilang bakan need UG tang la tai ken sa page naka PCB te kilis baro an penbi hapo ka official website machealth.gov.in philaban check bin nang tu andala penbi ka list ki waiting list ai baro gen sa penmi te gen sa pentip ai ban le report phab le report ba hapo Office of the Director of Health Service phab le report bi hang tu nam ta ban pentikana ya ki sit ki jong phi tenang ta yakni ki nakin nyotali ki sit baro tang ya MBBS phihaban ya angkom noh ne the list of selected candidate and personally submit the letter of acceptance okay hinap submit dia kata letter ladap nang tab de execute surety bond for the value of 30 lakh tang nam tagi balik MBBS phiaban ya yu kene bon ke balong lai pho lakh nalor nang ta only on in case of MBBS goes with 5 years rural service and collect the letter of nomination for further instruction nam tagi instruction borok in sahaban collect bade te kalong bai kabon ke balong lai pho lakh phiab nesan dan lap nang ta phiaban yakut ban dala deb bade phiaban trei sans name spok rural areas kan with 5 years rural service te kan sapan tip yang ye jindon kam te kitu gi pokok apply no online wanam ab ya last date kitu gi ba apply last date finish reject bejarang te kalis kan sapan mi official website te kitu gi bladap ya ka net UG nada pi kwa ya BSc nursing nada kwa MBBS kanu filam apply lot baro kadwa pijit kan I option pi te apply no wanam ab ya last date tangi ne gi nyum dip